Welcome everyone to my channel. Today I'm going to make some vanilla shortbread biscuits. So all you need for this recipe, 5 ingredients. You need all-purpose flour, icing sugar, cornstarch, butter, vanilla, and that is it. So I'm already made some my ingredients, guys. So you will need 500 grams of butter. This is already 500 grams of butter here, guys. 2 cups of icing sugar, 2 cups of cornstarch, 4 cups of all-purpose flour, or you can call it plain flour as well. It's the same thing. Right, guys, what we're going to do first is to cream the butter and icing sugar until fluffy before follow the rest of the flour and corn. Mixing with, if you don't have electric mixer, you can use your spoon mixer like that, yeah. So let's mix with me, guys. Right, guys. Wait until it's cream and fluffy. Right, yes, guys. Look, nice and creamy and fluffy. So I'm going to add in the vanilla extract in there. Here we go. There we go. Only 2 teaspoons. Then we're going to whip him again. It's so good, guys. That's good already. It's nice and clean, nice. Right now I'm going to add him in the flour sanding in there. Cornstarch. Just like that. I'm just mixing with a mixing spoon here, guys. Yeah, I'm just using the spoon to mix with this vanilla shortbread biscuit. And I'm gonna come back to you, show you how I do the rest. Yeah, see, guys, this is how it looks like. Mixing everything nice and well, just like that. Look, that's what this looks like. So I'm going to put him into the tray down here. Right, guys, I put some flour here on my tray like that, so that I can knead the dough of this biscuit. That. Put this one up here, you know. Yummy. There, we have to do this now. There again. This is not sticky too much. Oh, there. Yeah, you need extra flour to knead with it, guys, you know. There. Let me finish this nicely, guys, before cutting it. Right, guys, I have two portions of dough, so So I'm gonna put one aside, and I'm going to knead one, you know. I'm going to knead one first. So I'm gonna use this baking paper to knead with it. So I put this away, and like this, you know. There's one was there. Then I use my rolling pin like this. Right, guys, this size looks like now. And roll it nice and smooth. Now, not so thin. Just unroll it. Don't know how big is it. So you're gonna cut with your cookie cutter. So I have this one. This cookie cutter. Depends what size you want. It's coming from different size. This cookie cutter it's a new cookie cutter. This one, guys. It's very nice. I don't know what size is this, guys. So I'm going to cut this cookie. Vanilla shortbread. So let's see how thick and thin is it. Okay, I'm gonna come back to show you what it looks like after. Right, guys, this is how thick it should be for this vanilla shortbread. So I just take him off, add all this extra one. I'm going to knead him again. Then I'm gonna put the rest into the baking tray. Now like that. So I'm going to put in a baking tray here. Right, guys, we're going to prick the biscuit. Pricker, just like this. There. I'm gonna do the rest and show you guys. Yeah, guys, I'm done with it, and I'm going to bake it for 150 Celsius for 30 minutes. Here we go, it's in the oven now, guys. There we go. While the other vanilla shortbread biscuits cooking in the oven, and work on the second dough here. This one here, guys. So what I'm gonna do is going to use the Christmas cutter like this, guys. Here, you know, this cookie cutter is nice. This is the Christmas one. It's very nice for vanilla shortbread biscuits, just like this. Look, it's coming out easily, guys. Look, it's the star. And the other ones here. Yeah. Ooh, I like this, huh? Look at it. Hopefully it's come there. Yeah. Here. Lovely. This vanilla shortbread biscuit, guys, is good for the gift for friends and family. You can make this for Christmas gift. You can make this for afternoon coffee or tea. It's very nice. The children will love this, guys, you know. Let's try this, the smaller one. It's like a gingerbread man cut as this. No? Let's check it out. There we go. Ah, this is nice, easy to coming out. Yeah. This is it, guys. This vanilla shortbread biscuit, guys, is our favorite biscuits for families. I make these just for one day. You cannot see for the next day. It's so nice and lovely. So I make more portions of it. I make plenty of it so that everyone can enjoy, so that it can last long for 2-3 days, you know. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna do the rest and come back to you guys. Yeah, here's the hard one. Let me show you guys. Here's the hard one. Ooh, there, it's the heart. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, there. That is it. Very easy to make, guys. I can put the recipe in the description, guys, so you can check it out there. Yeah. So let me finish my cutting those vanilla shortbread biscuit, and I will right back to you guys. Yeah. Right, guys, let's check the vanilla shortbread biscuit. There we go. It's cooked now, guys. It's in here. This is it, guys. It's cooked now. See, that is it. So I'm gonna put the rest into the oven. Bake all the rest. Yeah, it's needed to be baked, guys. Ooh, wow, so lovely. Right, guys, this left over one. I have just to cut him like this, and then like that. They have some Scott's finger. You can make any shape you want, guys. You know, I'm gonna do the rest now, guys. Right, guys, let me check this one down here is already cooked, guys. So to keep in mind, you know, this one for now. Here we go. I don't put it into my cooling rack here. That one. It's going to be cooled down before tin container or like that to store the biscuits inside. Right, guys, this is it. The finished product, guys. Look at that. See, last product, guys. Look. You can make money from it, guys. But I love to share what I learn and know to you guys. So hope that you can try and share this video to your friends and family so that they can watch it too and make their lovely vanilla shortbread biscuit, guys. Wow, this biscuit is very crunchy, guys. Let me show you how it looks like in the inside. This is it, guys. Look, it's crunchy and nice. Look, this is what it looks like in the inside. There, it's lovely, guys. Nice and crunchy. So yeah, guys. Right, guys, I'm going to put them into this biscuit tin. So in there, if you have a cookie jar, you can put them into the cookie jar. Put them in the tin now. It's cooled down now. So yeah, that's just it. Happy baking, everyone, and enjoy. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.